Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video I'm doing a fidget spinner trick video. Now, I know that I've not been posting a video for a while, and that is because, well, my camera's been away. My camera has been away for a while because it has to be fixed. That's why I couldn't make videos for a while, and I'm so sad. But I will be starting to make videos from now on every single Tuesday. But I have a bonus. I'm going to do Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Because I felt like maybe I should have a treat for them. So yeah, and I kind of just a little bit have to fidget spinner. It's really annoying, but I will have lots more. And real good collection. So yeah, and if you haven't watched my other fidget spinner video, go check it out. It's my latest video I've done. So go check it out right now. And make sure to hit that subscribe button right there. Just click it. And also, please hit that bell right over there too. So before all that stuff goes away, let's get out the video. So the first trick is balancing it on my thumb. That's easy. Next trick is balancing on my forehead. Getting a little crazier. I'm gonna bounce it on my nose. I'm scared. Hold on. Ow. Well, kinda, yes. Next, I'm gonna try to bounce it on my knee. Here we go. That's easy. Let me be more here. I'm going to try to bounce it on my ring. I'm going to be trying to bounce it on my ring man. That's easy. I'm so horrible at this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow on Perfect Tuesday. And before I say bye-bye to you guys, I have one more channel to announce. I have a new channel called My Teen Sister. You can go watch it right now. It's about my big sister, me too, but we just posted one video. We have like 4 subscribers already, so you should definitely go check that channel out. Please subscribe to that channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. And stop recording.